I want to take a minute here, folks. Tool of the day. This is a often overlooked tool, but it's a very well used tool, and that is the underhood light. This is the Astro Tools something or other. What is the one? The other one's the 150SL. I think maybe the 151. I can't remember the exact model number of this. It's rubbed off it if it was on there. It's bright. It's just like the regular lights. You push and hold the button. Oh, she dims down. Goes all the way dim, and then all the way back bright. Just like that. Of course, it's the underhood light, because it comes here, you stick it under the hood, boom, you turn it on, everything's lit up. I don't know, there's not a lot to say about it. It does slide back and forth. The older version that I've had for a while as well, this is the 150S, so that's why I think that's the 151. I'll look and see. This is their old version. Worked fine, just quite a bit heavier. Had a removable flashlight for that mechanic with the on-the-go lifestyle. Now I don't know as if they still make this one or not. I've had this one a long time. Get back up in there. If they make both of them, I like both of them. I've never used the removable flashlight feature, but I'm not on the go a lot. So the one thing I do like about the newer model is this right here, is the plugger. As my kids call them, the plugger. This one has a more industrial, manly type cord. And the reason I like that, we use them cordless, but I'm walking away, cars are sitting here for hours. And, so I'll have it plugged in. And with the heavier cord, I like that a lot better because laying across the floor, you're walking on it, you're stepping on it, or if you're Josh, you're running this thing over with a truck. He doesn't like to talk about it. I just got the new cord. As you can tell, it still has kinks in it, but I've had this thing for quite a few years. And yeah, my boy Josh decided to see how much weight it'll support. It will not support the weight of a 3/4 ton truck, just FYI, in case you're wondering. But they're a handy tool. And don't just think it's limited to under the hood. The other thing I like to do is when I'm working inside of a car, if I'm able, either roll down the passenger window or open both doors. You gotta have the driver's door open. You don't wanna put this in there like that. But you can take and stick these inside the vehicle across the doors inside. Like I say, leave passenger door closed, stick it across there, open the driver's door, boom, hang it up. And then, so if you're doing dash work, you're doing a heater course, something like that, have both doors open and have this, strung across the inside, illuminating most of the inside of the car. So I don't know what the battery life is. I don't know. I run it until it goes dead, then I plug it in, or oftentimes I plug it in right from the start. And I don't know the model number. All I know is underhood lights are handy. Handier than a 2-pocket t-shirt, as they say. I don't know if they're that handy, but they're pretty handy. So anyway, links in the description. Thanks for watching.